Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start unit 3 of class 6 and name of the unit is Fibre to Fabric. Before I'll start unit, I will like to discuss some important terms. The first term is fiber. A fiber is a form of material which is available in the form of continuous thin and flexible strand. So in short, I can say fiber is a thread-like structure which is thin and flexible. Fabric. Fabric is a cloth or other material produced by weaving fiber. So, fabric is a cloth material which is produced by weaving fiber. Looms. Machine that is used for making cloth by passing a piece of thread across other pieces is called loom. So, a loom is a machine which is used to produce cloth. Knitting. Knitting is a method by which yarn is manipulated to create fabric. Knitting is done either by hand or by machine. Weaving. It is a method of textile production in which two distinct sets of yarn or threads are interlocked at right angle to form fabric or cloth. Ginning. The process of separation of cotton seeds from cotton fiber is called ginning. Spinning. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. History of clothing. Let's discuss about history of clothing. Before I start history of clothing, just remember the caveman. What he used to wear. He used to wear leaves or skin of the animals. But presently we wear designer clothes. Why? Because of advancement in technology. In early times, people realized that material that we get from cotton plant, that is the fiber that we get from the cotton plant, can be manipulated or can be spun to produce a cloth. Initially, the spinning and weaving was done by hands, but after invention of stitching needle, people started stitching fabrics to make clothes. Later, machines were invented and machines were used to spin, weave, and stitch clothes. So, here in picture 1, you can see caveman is covering his body through leaves. In picture 2, caveman has covering his body through the skin of animal. And picture 3, a man is wearing dhoti, that is the fiber, the fabric, the cloth that he was wearing is unstitched. But after the invention of stitching needle, clothes are being stitched. Now let's discuss about variety of fabrics. We have two different types of fibers. The first one is natural fiber and the second one is synthetic fiber. The fibers that are obtained from plants and animals are called natural fiber. For example, cotton, jute, silk, wool. Whereas the fibers which are made from petroleum by complex chemical processes is called synthetic fiber. Example, nylon, rayon, polyester and acrylic fiber. Now here on your screen you can see the different types of fibers. See, we get wool from sheep, cotton from cotton plant and silk from silkworm. Next is man-made fibers which are also called as synthetic fibers. The man-made fibers include nylon, polyester, acrylic.